What is the wisdom of Aqeeqah? When the new baby born, why, when the baby born, new baby, why one animal slaughter for the girl and 2 for the boys?
Who has asked this question? Who has asked this question?
Imam sir.
Sir, I remind yourselves.
Actually, we discussed together.
I remind yourself that I have answered this question so many times that everyone should remember it by heart. Why do you shave your head when you go to pilgrimage? Why people all over the world who dedicate their lives for the sake of God shave their heads? Like sadhus, Hindu sadhus, or Buddhists, or nuns, they all shave their heads. There has to be a universality about it. The universal message is that when you dedicate your life, shave your head. This is not just Islamic. This happens everywhere in the world. So you cannot ignore the universal witness. As such, now look at Islam. When the child is born, the parents are required to shave the child's head, which means dedicate this child for the sake of Allah. You understand the significance of shaving the head? Now 2 for the boys and 1 for the girl. Is that right? The boy in Islamic economic system is responsible not only for himself but also for his wife. The wife is not responsible for her husband. So there should be 1 for the wife and 2 for the would-be husband. If they have children, they can have it and they can have means of livelihood, but if they do not have any other means of livelihood than inheritance, then the girl would shift for herself and the boy will take care of himself as well as of the girl. Got it? Thank you.